Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the details of two popular countertop dishwashers, the Hermitlux and the EUHOMY. Both are designed for compact living spaces, but they come with different features and functionalities. Let's explore what each has to offer. The Hermitlux countertop dishwasher offers 5 washing programs including Standard, Fast, Eco, Strong, and Fruit. In contrast, the EUHOMY model provides 6 washing programs, adding baby care and dry modes to its repertoire. This variety allows the EUHOMY to cater to a wider range of cleaning needs, making it a more versatile option for users. When it comes to drying, the Hermitlux utilizes a heated drying function, which can be effective but may leave some dishes slightly damp. On the other hand, the EUHOMY features an air dry function that is designed to efficiently dry dishes without the need for heat, potentially preserving the quality of delicate items. Noise levels can be a significant factor in choosing a dishwasher. The Hermitlux operates at 50 decibels, which is relatively quiet but can still be noticeable in a small space. In comparison, the EUHOMY operates at a quieter 40 decibels, making it a better choice for those who prioritize a peaceful environment while cleaning dishes. In conclusion, both the Hermitlux and EUHOMY countertop dishwashers offer unique features suitable for different needs. The Hermitlux is a reliable choice for basic washing needs, while the EUHOMY provides more advanced options with its additional programs and quieter operation. Be sure to consider your specific requirements before making a purchase. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.